and $1 at a time. Pittsburghers are racing to do something to stop ALS. Every day, doctors diagnose another 15 Americans with Lou Gehrig's disease. This morning, dozens of people rode their bikes in the rain to stop it. They don't care that it's early. Helmets on, ready to ride. We introduced you to Neil Alexander, who had been living with ALS.
ALS is terrible, and I've seen it firsthand and watched Neil and his family work through it. And Neil, actually, we lost him in March. So this is something very near and dear to me. I miss him, and I would like to see a cure for this terrible disease.
Neil's wife, Suzanne, continues the work they started when he was alive with their organization, LiveLikeLou.org.
Bringing real concrete value to people who are living with ALS. We're bringing it to their children. We're bringing it to their families. We're helping them live independent lives a little bit longer.
Yes, it's a long bike ride, 52 miles, but just by pedaling, these riders have raised $100,000 with 4 of these rides, trying to change the story of what ALS does to people and their families.
Thank you for continuing to help leave ALS better than we found it. From Abby and Patrick and I and our family, we're so grateful.
Working hard there this morning. Much of the LiveLikeLou.org funds stayed right here in Western Pennsylvania and go to help fund ALS research at UPMC's Brain Institute.